Dwayne, this is the 300th video we've made for YouTube.
Wow.
Day 1,256,000 of pandemic.
This is the first video in a multi-part series
On how to cool down your twin cam and M8 Harley-Davidson.
Right. Now, in some cases, you may need to use a slide hammer or an axle puller, depending on the age of the trike. They say time flies when you're having fun, but it really flies when you have no clue what you're doing.
So the bottom line is that M8s do not run too lean from the factory.
Nobody likes a stock bike.
What? I haven't done anything to the bike. The majority will fail Harley's leak down test.
Installs, reviews, check tips, a lot of stuff that, we've already put together in words and in print, but, people like to see it visually, so it's just another outlet for us to get that information out there.
If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do so. Click that like button. It helps us out a lot.
Y'all ride safe out there.